right? He's on top of the rope. He's going for big move. Yeah, he's definitely going for big move. This is going for superplex. पूरी arena हिल जाती है यार जब superplex आता है from the top of the rope. Hey everybody, how are you all? I'm so happy with a regular smile, enthusiastic. So, you all know Roman Reigns. और Roman Reigns के बहुत सारे characters थे, like the Guy character, Big Dog character, and present now the Tribal Chief character. Look at Big Dog character was not so famous, nobody liked so much, but the Tribal Chief character, oh my god, everybody acknowledged him. So आज का वीडियो भी on Roman Reigns. So you know what? Roman Reigns, his opponent is Roman Reigns. Yeah. I'm not confused. It's absolutely true. Roman Reigns versus Roman Reigns. But क्या हुआ? Character different होगा. Like Roman Reigns, the Big Dog character versus Roman Reigns, the Tribal Chief character. So nothing much to say. यार सीधा वीडियो start करते हैं. So let's get all this stuff together and start the video, man. Let's begin, man. It's in Orlando, FL. So the following contest is for WWE Undisputed Championship. And we're introducing first the Big Dog, Roman Reigns. Yeah, ये character means you can see यहीं से the shield की शुरुआत हुई थी. And this Roman Reigns really means बहुत लोगों ने पसंद नहीं किया लेकिन बहुत probably सबसे ज़्यादा hate मिली थी this character because nobody liked Roman Reigns in the Big Dog character. But actually बहुत लोगों ने पसंद भी किया, बहुत लोगों ने hate भी किया. I don't like it. यार मैं probably I liked it. Okay. And his opponent is the present time Universal Champion, the Tribal Chief, Roman Reigns, right? And it's caught in the civil preference of Paul Heyman. Yeah, ये character now is the one of the best character in the history of WWE. I can say. Oh, so ready for it, huh? Big Dog versus Tribal Chief. Let's begin, man. Oh, see the punch के लिए बता रहा है. Oh no, oh lock up. It's a big on the buckle side. देखते हैं यार लेकिन 1, 2, 3. Oh, that's a big close line to the Tribal Chief. क्या start है यार by Big Dog. Oh, this time नहीं. Tribal Chief भी जानता है how power. A big headbutt to the Big Dog. Punches, back to back. यार क्या impact है आप the Tribal Chief. यार मतलब character change हुआ ना तो power भी लगता change हो चुकी है. Oh, पर लेकिन उसकी बात नहीं. पीछे kick and swinging neck breaker to the Tribal Chief exactly on the bottom of the ring. Whoa, that's a big pushback. Punches. जैसा Tribal Chief ने किया वैसा ही Big Dog ने किया. यार तो मतलब पहली बात तो ये है Roman Reigns versus Roman Reigns. This is really astonishing. कितना shocking है ना यार. But let's see. It's going to be very interesting. Daya on the power slam right, but 9. Oh, सीधा ring के बाहर. Tribal Chief exactly out of the ring. Shots फिर से अंदर जा रहे हैं. या फिर से अंदर जा रहे हैं. And Big Dog is back. फिर से lock up. Oh, on the shoulders. What action is going for? Oh, 9 is going to be knocked for a posing. Lock up किया फिर से. Oh, arm किया Big Dog ने. क्या move हो सकता है? Let's see. Oh, that's a big punch. That's a big huge punch. बहुत तगड़ा impact पड़ा on the Tribal Chief. Let's see for what? He's for what? He's for spear. My God. क्या kick out होगा? क्या नहीं होगा? Let's see. But this is exactly what's game for. 1, 2, and that's kick out by second. That's by 2. My God, man. Exactly बताओ ना. Super match में mix किया. Big one or the back one for what? Oh, big slam here. Exactly तो यहाँ तो मुझे Big Dog ज़्यादा powerful लग रहा है as compared to Tribal Chief. तुम बताओ तुम्हें कौन सा ज़्यादा powerful लग रहा है and who's going to win the match? Let's see who's going to win the match. Oh, that's a big Superman punch by Tribal Chief. He's back in the game. क्या लगता है तुम्हें? One. Oh नहीं, kick out. Big one. अब Tribal Chief back in the game. क्या undisputed champion the big dog होगा या Tribal Chief? ये बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन है. Let's see. वो सब पता चल जाएगा in few minutes, right? He's on top of the rope. He's going for big move. Yeah, he's definitely going for big move. This is going for superplex. पूरी arena हिल जाती है यार जब superplex आता है from the top of the rope. This was real. Oh. जैसा कि ना बहुत ही तगड़ा नी impact था. Exactly. But see, you all know. On the rope, push kiya, messed up. Oh, this is 360-degree clothesline to the big dog by Tribal Chief. Aha, 360-degree, yaar, itni body huge. Superman punch. Now I think he's back. Now he's in danger. He is in danger. He's going for spear. Let's see. He's going for big spear! This time! Bro! Oh my god, Tribal Chief got a spear to the big dog! Let's see for 1, 2, and that's by second! By second, man! By second! Punches, he's gone frustrated. बहुत ज़्यादा frustrated हो चुके हैं Tribal Chief. Spear के बाद kick out करना, that's impossible! शायद से स्पीड ले जा रहा है. Let's see. Oh, इस बार नहीं, इस बार definitely नहीं क्योंकि Strap the dog ने reverse किया. Oh, फिर से. I think his pain is in danger. बहुत ही ज़्यादा difficulty में Strap the big dog. Let's see यार. Oh, push किया है. Back clothesline. That's a big impact on the big guy. Up goes spear. Big spear! ये the second spear है. क्या kick out करेंगे? Or will be a new undisputed champion, right? 1, 2. Oh, that's by second. Miss यार फिर से kick out. अब नहीं छोड़ेंगे Tribal Chief. I know that. इसको अर्ज है यार एक undisputed champion बनने की. Oh, big headbutt. Oh, glitching! Tap out or not? Let's see. He's going for tap out or not? Oh, tap out on definitely tap out on. And here we got a new WWE Undisputed Champion of the World. Roman Reigns, the Tribal Chief. My God. This is really new undisputed champion of the world, Tribal Chief. So at the end, जो आज का most loved character of Roman Reigns won the match and became the undisputed champion of the world, right? So यार तुम ये ना तुम्हें सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा character कौन सा है Roman Reigns का? The guy character, the big dog character, or the Tribal Chief character? वैसे तो most probably the Tribal Chief character बहुत ही ज़्यादा famous हो चुका है all over the world. आज तक का सबसे best जो character है that is of Tribal Chief Roman Reigns. So तुम्हें वीडियो कैसे लगी मुझे जरूर बताना. मुझे जाना है यार कि तुम्हें तो मुझे पता चलेगा यार. So ज़्यादा बोलने की जरूरत नहीं क्योंकि अगला वीडियो बनाना है मुझे. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में सोच रहा हूँ यार किस पे बनाऊंगा समझ नहीं आ रहा. शायद इस बार रोमन रेंस वर्सेस रोमन रेंस था. नेक्स्ट वीडियो शायद मैं ब्रॉक लेसनर वर्सेस ब्रॉक लेसनर या द बीस्ट इनकार्नेट वर्सेस काउबॉय. लेट्स सी ट्राई करते हैं. सो टिल दैट टाइम बाय, टेक केयर एंड लव यू ऑल.